Do you know one of the reasons why you are not getting the subscribers, the like and the views on YouTube is because of the way you upload your video here on YouTube? Yes, this is actually a lot of issues a lot of you are actually facing, and in today's video I'm going to tell you, or I'm going to show you how to upload videos here on YouTube in order to get the views, the subscribers, the like, and also forget the YouTube algorithm to recommend your videos to many viewers. So if it's something you're going to be interested in, stay with me from the beginning to the end of this video as I walk you through all the process. I'm going to make sure I break everything into pieces so you don't want to actually miss out, and I'll be taking you over to my screen to actually show you everything you need to know. So let's get straight in it. Before you press the publish button on YouTube to upload your next video, you need to actually pay a key attention to all the things I'm going to be saying in this video, because everything I'm going to be saying in this video is actually very important for your video to actually get recommended by the YouTube algorithm to other users. That's why you need to stay from the beginning to the end of this video, because if you miss any points, you have actually missed everything. And the fourth thing I'm going to say in this video is very important, so you don't actually really want to miss out. Please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, turn on the bell notification, because I'll be dropping more YouTube tips on how to grow as a YouTuber on this channel, because we are all one creator and are trying to grow here on YouTube. So let's go straight into the video as I walk you through the plan. So now you move over to the desktop version of your YouTube studio. If you are using your mobile phone, I'm going to drop the link on how to actually get there. So now we are going to select a video I want to upload. I want to upload a video. I'm just going to select a video we'll be using for this tutorial. So I'm just going to pick a video from my gallery, and I like this one. I'm just going to select this one. I'm going to select this one. I'm going to click on the blue bar. I'm going to wait for it to load. Yeah, now the next thing is for us to put in our title. Yeah, I'm going to put in our title. So always try our best to make sure your title is well optimized. Your title explain what your video is all about. That's another way to actually get the YouTube algorithm to recommend your video. Your titling is very important. So let's say this video is about to get 1,000 subscribers on YouTube, because I made video about how to grow on YouTube. So let's just say this video is on how to get 1 subscriber fast on YouTube. Yeah, on YouTube. YouTube is a keyword. Subscribers is a keyword in 2025. Oh yes, we are in 2026, but 2026 just started, so I will still use 2025. That's a good keyword. Then always put hashtag on your video, on your title. Always put hashtag. But if you don't want to put, no problem. So hashtag YouTube SEO. Now the next thing is to upload our thumbnail. We're actually going to select a thumbnail I've actually created on my phone. I actually use Canva and CapCut to actually create most of my thumbnails, so you can actually use those applications if you want. So I'm going to click on the thumbnails. Where is it, Seth? No, before that we need to work on our description. I forgot. Yeah, we need to create a description for this video, but let's upload our thumbnail. So I'm going to come to my gallery. I'm just going to select a random picture that I've actually created in the past or stuff like that. Then I'm going to head over to my description box. We're going to try to create a description for this video, and I will use ChatGPT for that one. So I'll head over to my ChatGPT and tell you to write a well optimized video description for me. I'm going to put in the topic. The topic is how to get 1,000 subscribers fast on YouTube in 2025. So that's what we're going to type in, and we're going to let ChatGPT do the work for us. And that's very easy as that may sound. So if you're watching this video to this point, I want you to subscribe to my YouTube channel, turn on the bell notification, leave a like, and drop a comment on what you think on this video, because I'll be uploading more video on how to grow on YouTube. So we're going to wait for ChatGPT to act. Now ChatGPT has generated the description for us. So now what we just have to do is to copy this description. We're going to copy everything and we're going to paste it on our video description. That's very easy. You can actually do that. So we're going to copy everything. We're going to copy the video description, and I want to apologize for the background noise. So we're going to copy the video description, copy everything. Just work with me, and I'm going to like guide you on how to actually do this. It's very easy. So we're going to copy. You see, ChatGPT actually gave us tags too, and these tags are highly optimized for your video to actually get recommended. So I'm going to head over back to my YouTube studio. I'm going to paste the description, everything we got from ChatGPT. We're going to paste it here. So we're going to just click on paste. Yeah, we have it now. Our description is now done. Now the next thing is to scroll down to just check out the description. You can actually add more tags if you want. So the next thing now, if you want your video to be in a playlist, you can actually put it on a playlist. Yes, you can actually create playlist. Then you click on more, show more, or show. Okay, you click it, scroll down. I want to show you something very quickly. Do any of the following, describe your content. You actually need to take note of all these YouTube features here. You actually need to take note of them. Don't ignore them because they are very important. Now the next thing is to add our tags. I'm just going to add some tags. I'm going to get the tags from. Use those tags we got from ChatGPT. That's the one I'm going to be using. And I will advise you, please take note while you are adding your tag. Always make sure you add nothing less than 15 tags. That's what is very to be on the safer side. Your tag should not be less than 15 tags. That's actually very important. But because of this tutorial video, I'll just add a few tags. So first, how to get views fast on YouTube. That's a keyword. The YouTube growing tips. I think this is one of the tags we got from ChatGPT. That's actually very important. I want you to take note and follow me as I show you through this. This is actually very easy. So move on. So I'm just going to be putting my tags. You can actually add more than 4 or 5. I'll advise you add up to 15 tags. So once you have done adding your tags, now the next thing is to scroll down. You scroll down. You'll see click on okay, you scroll down. Then you see this place that says video language. I'm actually recording this video in Nigeria and I speak English. And English is the basic language in over the world. So I'm going to click on English. I want you to actually take note of all these things I'm doing because a lot of you actually ignore these things. That's why your video is not getting the views and recommendation. You select the recording dates. When did I record this video? You select it and you're going to put it here. I also select the video location. Where are you living? Where do you record the video? Me, I'm in Nigeria. So I'm going to put Nigeria. Yes, that's another thing you need to do. And you can't find this I'm actually doing this in the desktop version of my YouTube studio. If you are not using a computer, if you are using your phone to upload your video, you can actually see this. But I'm going to drop the link on how to get it using your phone. I'm going to actually drop the link. So the category of my video, this video is an educational video. That's why you see I left it on education. So you're going to put it on education. Then the type is how to, because you can see the start on the video is how to get 1,000 subscribers fast on YouTube in 2025. So it's an how-to video. Then problems, what does it solve? You're just going to put the title. Yes, that's basically what you are going to do. You're going to put the title here: how to get 1,000 subscribers fast on YouTube. That's what the video is solving. That's a problem here on YouTube, and this video is actually solving it. So I think that's what you need to do. So we have finally come to the end of the video. If you watch the video to this point, I want you to subscribe to my YouTube channel, turn on the bell notification, and always, before I forget, always put your video on unlisted, on private, before you publish your video, because the YouTube algorithm needs time to actually put your video. That's why I need to always put it on private, sorry. So don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, turn on the bell notification button, so that YouTube is going to send you a notification when I drop my amazing video.